10 miles an hour. And for Saturday night, mostly cloudy, low in the mid-30s. And now, looking ahead to Sunday through Wednesday. For Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain, high around 60. For Sunday night, showers and thunderstorms likely, low in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 60%. For Monday, colder, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain and snow, near steady temperature around 40. And for Monday night through Wednesday, mostly clear, low around 30, high in the mid-50s. At 2 p.m. in Jefferson City, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 36 degrees. The dew point was 30, giving us relative humidity of 80%. The wind was north at 10 miles an hour, gusting to 21, producing a wind chill of 28, and the pressure was 29.86 inches and falling. In Columbia, freezing rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 32 degrees. The dew point was 30, giving us relative humidity of 92%. The wind was northeast at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 26, producing a wind chill of 20, and the pressure was 29.86 inches and falling. Elsewhere in mid-Missouri, in Sedalia, freezing rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 34. In Rolla, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 35. Across the region, heavy snow and fog were reported, reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile in Kansas City, with a temperature of 30. In Springfield, Missouri, a thunderstorm was reported, at 39 degrees. In Joplin, light rain and fog were reported, and the temperature was 42. Fog was reported in Cape Girardeau, with a temperature of 45. In St. Louis, light rain and fog were reported, and 37 degrees. And at Kirksville, light snow and fog were reported, and the temperature was 32 degrees. Once again in Jefferson City, rain and fog were reported, and the temperature was 36 degrees. In Columbia, freezing rain and fog were reported, and the temperature was 32 degrees. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of eastern and central Missouri as well as west central and southwest Illinois. For today and tonight, a strong late winter storm will bring a variety of hazardous weather to the region today and tonight. Thunderstorms will be possible across much of the region. Some storms may be severe across southern Missouri and southern Illinois. Additionally, heavy rain and localized flooding will be possible across southeast Missouri. Cold air will wrap into the storm tonight and rain will change to snow from north to south before ending. Snowfall amounts in excess of 6 inches is likely across northern Missouri and west central Illinois, with lesser amounts further south. Please see the winter storm warning and advisories for further details. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. There is another chance of snow over parts of the region on Saturday, and then again Sunday through Monday. Storm spotter activation may be necessary for severe thunderstorms across southeast Missouri and southwest Illinois. Spotters across the area are encouraged to report snowfall tonight. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for sleet and snow, which is in effect until 6 a.m. Friday. Timing. Sleet and snow is expected to continue this afternoon, before changing to all snow tonight. Accumulations. Storm total sleet and snowfall accumulations of 1 to 4 inches are expected. Winds. North winds of 15 to 25 miles per hour could produce some minor blowing and drifting of snow. Impacts. Snowfall rates will be moderate and occasionally heavy, and this will cause roads to become snow-covered, making travel hazardous. Roads will be slippery once the snow begins, so motorists should plan for a slower than normal trip. Be especially alert when approaching bridges, overpasses, and curves. A winter storm warning remains in effect until midnight tonight. Location. Parts of extreme east central Kansas and northwest Missouri. Timing. A mix of sleet, snow and freezing rain will transition to snow this afternoon. Sleet and snow intensities are expected to peak during the late afternoon hours. The precipitation will end from west to east this evening. Snow/ice accumulations. Total snow accumulations by late Thursday evening will range from 3 to 6 inches, with a few locally higher amounts possible. In addition, sleet accumulations may approach an inch in some locations. Impacts. Snowfall rates in excess of 1 inch per hour will be likely late this afternoon and early this evening, during a peak in driving activity. At afternoon commute times will increase substantially, with difficult driving conditions on Interstates 29 and 35 through northwest Missouri. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for a mix of freezing rain, sleet and snow, which is in effect until midnight tonight. Location .FAR Northwest Missouri. Timing .A mix of freezing rain, sleet and snow will continue through the afternoon hours, before transitioning to all snow by late afternoon or early evening. Snow, sleet, and ice accumulations. Total snow accumulations by late this evening will range from 1 to 2 inches. Several hundredths of an inch of ice are possible, with up to half an inch of sleet possible. Impacts. The sleet and freezing rain will create a thick coat of ice on area roads, resulting in very slick and hazardous driving conditions. Adding snow on top of this ice will make driving even more difficult this evening.
The current time is 2:26 p.m. Central Standard Time.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KWN 55 Jamestown, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serves portions of central Missouri. We broadcast from the Cumulus Media Tower near Jamestown, Missouri on a transmitter donated by your local electric cooperatives. And now the forecast for portions of central Missouri. Winter weather advisory in effect until 6 a.m. Friday. For this afternoon, colder. Occasional rain, snow and sleet. Additional snow and sleet accumulation just under a half inch expected. High in the lower 40s. Northeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%. For tonight, blustery, colder. Rain and sleet early in the evening, then snow in the late evening and overnight. Snow and sleet accumulation up to 2 inches. Low in the upper 20s. North wind around 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. For Friday, mostly cloudy. High in the upper 30s. North wind 10 to 15 miles an hour in the morning, becoming light in the afternoon. For Friday night, mostly cloudy. Low around 30. East wind around 10 miles an hour. For Saturday, mostly cloudy. High in the mid-40s. East wind around 10 miles an hour. And for Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Low in the mid-30s. And now, looking ahead to Sunday through Wednesday. For Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain. High around 60.